Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to change the theme on your Samsung Galaxy A15. So, in order to do that, unlock your phone and just give a long press on the empty space on your home screen. Here, select Themes, press on it, and now you can enter the theme store. So, the themes are organized into different categories. There are some paid themes and also free themes available. So let's find some free themes. Simply click on the theme you like. You can scroll through them by swiping left and right. Let's choose this one. So simply click on it, press download, give it a few minutes to download. Okay, it's downloaded already. Now, when it's done, simply press apply. Give it a few minutes to apply. Now, if your theme applied, we can check it out. It works. There is an alternative way to do that. Simply go to your settings, open up your settings, and find your themes page. Click here, and basically everything is the same. I hope this video helped. Have a great day.